All right, next up we have Week by Christopher Brown, and we are going to be treated to vocals by Zeynep Bromberg. I'm sorry I left her off of the this sheet of paper. She should have been listed on here. But anyway, let's have a nice round of applause for these guys. She'll definitely be on the YouTube credits.
You ready?
You love her and you lose her. I do, sir. I can't see why all these other losers get love hurts, but not me. I want to know right now, do you love me? Do you want me? I need to know right now, do you love me? No, I want to be weak and live in the kingdom of defeat. I want to know, where will the love I gave you go? I want to let my feelings flow untethered. Let the tears come out. I know I should be better, but you always let me down. Press for second chances, my friend says I need peace. Why can't I get the message that you sent? I'm not me. I want to know right now, do you love me? Do you want me? I need to know right now, do you love me? No. But if you knew by now that I love you, would you come through? You'll never know just how I love you. No, I want to be weak, live in the kingdom of defeat. I want to know, where will the love I gave you go? I want to let my feelings flow untethered. Let the tears come out. I know I should be better, but you always lead me down. It's easy to love you, but the hard thing left to do is drop my attachments. It's best if I drop you. I know it's not right, on my mind at 3 in the night. Oh, will you let me down? Close my mind and shut me out. I want to be weak and live in the kingdom of defeat. And I want to know, where will the love I gave you go? I want to let my feelings go untethered. Let the tears come out. I know I should be better, but you always lead me down.
That was a beautiful job. Zeynep, don't go anywhere.
Now, I think they'll need a microphone to talk.
I think you're right. Here you go. Use this one.
Thank you.
Now, did you guys write that together, or was it just you?
I wrote this I don't remember, like a few months ago. I was writing this along with like a bunch of other songs. I've been writing like weekly, like.
What do you mean, like you have, like the song is bits and pieces of other songs?
No, I write like a song every week, and like I think this one really stood out to me because like it, like meant a lot to me, I guess.
That's great.
Yeah.
A personal sort of story?
Yeah.
Do we get to share that, or?
I'll neglect to share that right now.
Oh, so you're a scared truth teller. It's got to come out sooner or later. Sooner or later. You still want to make people, if you make up their own version of it, it might not be the version that you want it to be. So if it doesn't make any difference, then that's cool. Now, are you guys an act? Are you like Siegfried and Roy or Sonny and Cher?
We're not. We're good friends. But Chris, sent me this song about a week ago, and he was like, I think that it would be really cool if you sang this at the event. And I was like, this is awesome, for sure. And so that's why I'm here.
Well, that's great. So good friends. That's perfect.
Yeah.
Okay, now, in talking about the song, there's a thing that happens that is an art form unto itself, which maybe is you writing one song a week. And in England, they call it a middle eight. In America, it's called a bridge. And so if you think about, am I having a stroke or is that a noise?
I don't know. Maybe we're both having a stroke.
I thought maybe I had gas. Okay. No, it happens to me at my age now. So anyway, a bridge, or I heard the song, really liked it. I heard a verse, I heard a pre-chorus. In fact, I was even singing harmony on that. I was with you.
Yeah.
So that's like first good sign. Now, a middle eight or a bridge is when there's a departure of the song that can go anywhere, and the art form is to bring it back to the song seamless, so that it seems like for instance, the Beatles, we can work it out, we can work, and then Lennon goes, life is very short time, and that was like, whoa, but then he brought it back to the melody. I think you have to start to become aware of that, because when you have a middle eight or a bridge, it takes you to a whole nother level, and bring it back, because by the third verse and the third chorus, it started to feel a lot of the same to me. But if you threw in either a musical break or a middle eight where you're saying something else and then coming back, the song was really cool. Yeah. And you sang it great.
Thank you.
It was like good all the way around to me. But I hope you understand what I'm saying.
Yeah.
Like that was really commercial, no matter what it means. Good melody, good chord changes. Mm-hmm. It was great. I think as you write a song a week, you should start look at stuff where there's bridges, where it's like, in fact, even in the song that I wrote for Aerosmith, Livin on the Edge, it's the normal, living on the edge, but then all of a sudden that, tell me what you think about yourself. It's a bridge, it makes you go, whoa, and then it brings you back to it again. Throw one of those in, even if you hate it, because you can always replace it with something better. Yeah. But job well done, keep doing it. In fact, if you were in Nashville, it'd be a song a day. You're saying a song a week. If you're in Nashville, it's like we start at 10, we're out by 1, we're fishing and getting our teeth replaced. No one from the north has ever seen a spaceship. I digress. Here, Steve.
So first, I really liked the song a lot. I thought it was really strong, really catchy. I love the lyrics of it. Again, do you imagine it sort of as a kind of contemporary pop song or a different kind of song? Because to me, it had a little bit of like a theatrical vibe almost to it.
I think I imagine this as like kind of like a contemporary pop song / like piano ballad, like because I haven't really thought too much about what genre I fit in with yet, but I guess if I had to classify.
That's good. I think a lot of people sometimes try to write to a genre, which is not necessarily good, especially for a young person who's just exploring and trying to figure out where they are. I think that, like if you were writing to kind of like contemporary sort of radio or whatever, I think there's a lot of chords in the song. And in some ways, there's like more chords in your song than like in a lot of contemporary pop. But I'd advise you not to worry about like things that sound like the radio and just follow your heart, and just do your thing. And if it's amazing and brilliant, the world will come around to you. But it's definitely, again, as far as when I heard the demo, like I said, it almost seemed like a song that in today's world would almost fit more like in a big musical than on the radio. But it's an amazing song, like really great song. And I agree with Mark's comment about the bridge. Yeah. You should definitely add a bridge.
And keep doing that with everything that you're writing, trying to find that thing. And I looked at it chord-wise, kind of Elton John-esque. And who's the kid that looks like a leprechaun with the red hair?
Ed Sheeran.
Ed Sheeran, right. Okay. He's a guy. I'll do individual apologies when the day's over. I promise. But he's a guy that's writing songs that have chord changes, that have melody. But the contemporary side that Steve is talking about it is the interpretation of that song. But the Elton John, Elton's retiring, so there'll be room for you to step up. Mini Elton. Just write some bridges. Okay. But it was beautiful. Well done.
Is that an offer or?
You never know. I got to hear more songs.
All right.
Great.
Thank you.
I'll take you up on that.
Thank you. You're welcome.
Thank you.